Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the V13 wireless Bluetooth controller. Exactly. So as you can see, that's how it looks like. So I'm come to unveil this product. You can see how it looks like. So it comes with different brand colors. So that's it. So let's go ahead and open this box. I have already opened it, but just to show you guys. So let's go. Okay, so it comes with a holder, as you can see. This is the holder, or the clamp, how you call it. So that's it. One, then comes also with a charger. There's a charger, as you can see. Okay, then the console itself. Alright, so that's the gamepad itself. This is how it looks like. The joystick, that's the movement button. This also, everything is intact. Alright, so as you can see, that's how it looks like. So this is how you're gonna clip this holder. So you put it like this, you put this one here, then you come to the base, then you clip it. That's all. Just put your phone inside. You're good to go. Alright, so in my next video, I'm gonna show you how to use this to play games on your Android device. So don't forget to follow me, like, subscribe to this channel. Thanks so much. Alright, so this controller is compatible with iOS. You can use it to play games on iOS device, at the same time on PC. Some say PS3. Alright, PS4 also supports, and then other device too. Alright, so as you can see, that's how it is. So the battery is just 400 milliampere hour, so you can play, like, you can use it to play game for more than like 6 to 10 hours continuously. You can play games on your phone. If it is fully charged, you can use to play your game for 6 to 10 hours before you charge it again. So that's a little key function about this device. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye.